Welcome to the video. A very quick one today. I just wanted to share something that I learnt in a recent meeting with a freelance SEO expert. Now, I don't personally claim to be an SEO expert, and if I'm being honest, this tip I'm about to share you hadn't even crossed my mind, but it's something that's just so simple and makes so much sense, and it's probably something a lot of people are actually not doing to drive traffic to their websites. So, let's get into it. Basically, it's to use descriptive file names rather than generic ones. Or in other words, using the images that you upload on your website as a way of including more keywords on your website. Now, SEO, or search engine optimization basics, is basically that sites like Google and Bing rank websites based on a number of different factors, keywords being one of them. Now, obviously, you can't just fill up your website with a huge number of keywords because it wouldn't make sense, it wouldn't read right. And apparently also search engines penalize you if you use too many of these keywords. It's called keyword stuffing, and this can actually hurt your SEO ranking. But let's say you've optimized your website text to include certain keywords, but you still want to rank higher, then this tip could come in handy. Every image that is uploaded onto a website has a file name attached to it. What I had not appreciated, and what this SEO expert told me, is that these file names are also read by the search engine. This means that the file names of the images you upload becomes extremely important if you want to rank as high as possible. Let's say you have a company that sells vacuum cleaners, and your unique selling point is that your vacuum cleaners have HEPA filters and are bagless and cordless. You can tell I know nothing about vacuum cleaners, this is just an example. These are the types of keywords you'd likely include in your website, right? So what you would do is you'd go to your website and you'd re-upload all of your images with new file names, making sure that each of these image file names includes your keywords. So rather than vacuumcleaner1.png, you could call it HEPA filter cordless bagless vacuum.png. Repeat this for all of the images on your website, and you now have a lot more of those specific keywords dotted throughout your website. And you should score higher when people search for those keywords using a search engine. Simple, I know, but I also know there are a lot of websites out there which are not doing this, and it's such a simple change to make, you're missing out if you're not taking advantage of this. So yeah, just a quick video. Just wanted to share this little tip with you. Let me know if this was helpful down in the comments below, and if it was, leave a like on the video and subscribe to the channel, that would be absolutely amazing. Good luck with your search engine optimization, and I'll see you in the next video.